How to create an opening soon page in Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step what we need to do to allow our Shopify store to turn into an opening soon page for any visitors that are going to visit our store. But for us, we can obviously keep editing our site, re-innovate, do whatever we want. But for other people, they are just going to see one page which says opening soon or see you in December. Really, it doesn't really matter what it's going to say, as long as it's just going to be one page for them to see. So it's actually very simple and easy to do, and you can obviously do this if you want to go on vacation or if you want to redesign your site, or really it doesn't really matter what you want to do it for, but I will show you exactly how to do so. It is actually very easy and simple to do. So let's just go ahead and open up our Shopify admin first. And once you're in this Shopify dashboard, you will need to just go to online store, and then you will need to navigate at the bottom here where you will find preferences. Go ahead and click on preferences, and then from here you will need to just go ahead and scroll down even more until you find password protection. Basically, we want to limit who can access your online store. So this way, only people with a specific password are going to be able to access our online store. Otherwise, it's going to show them that page that we just talked about. So how do we actually enable this? You will need to just go ahead and check this option here. I don't really have a plan to do so, but you can just go ahead and click on this. Make sure it is checked, which is restrict access to visitors with the password only. So just go ahead and check this. Afterwards, you will need to go down to the password and just set up any password that you want. Let's just go ahead and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then here is going to be the message to your visitors. This is going to show up at the top of the page for visitors. This way they can actually go ahead and see that the site is, for the time being, under maintenance or opening soon and so on. So we can just go ahead and do something like expect us in 2025 or something along the lines of that. And then we can just go ahead and click on save. And once we do that, if somebody actually now opens up our Shopify store, so if they just go ahead and view our Shopify store, it's going to open up the opening soon page for them, and at the top they will see expect us in 2025. However, if it's someone that you actually want to view the new design or whatever, they can just click on enter using password on the top right. They can just go ahead and do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click on enter, and they will find the Shopify store working normally. So yeah, this is pretty much how to do so. It is actually very easy and simple to do. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.